Hello बच्चों, let's read this question. The question says there is a current of 1.344 ampere in a copper wire whose area of cross section normal to the length of the wire is 1 millimeter square. If the number of free electrons per centimeter cube is 8.4 into 10 raised to the power 22, then the drift velocity will be. In this question, the key concept is drift velocity and its relation with current. Subatomic particles जैसे कि इलेक्ट्रॉन्स वैसे तो रैंडम डायरेक्शन में मूव करते हैं हमेशा, बट when they're subjected to electric field, so they do move randomly, but they slowly drift in one direction, in in the direction of the electric field applied. So the net velocity at which these electrons drift is called as the drift velocity. So drift velocity can be defined as the charge carriers like electrons moves in the average velocity, which is independent of time, and this phenomena of drift, and it is called as the drift velocity. drift velocity का फॉर्मूला होता है वी डी वेक्टर इज इक्वल टू माइनस स्मॉल ई कैपिटल ई वेक्टर अपॉन एम टाउ, जिसमें टाउ इज द रिलैक्सेशन टाइम और टाइम बिटवीन सक्सेसिव collisions. Now the relation between drift velocity and current, this is that I जो कि करंट होता है, this is equal to n e a v d, जिसमें n is the number of electrons, e is the charge on each electron, a is the area of cross section and vd is the drift velocity. इस क्वेश्चन में हमें I की वैल्यू गिवन एज 1.344 एम्पेयर, n is given as 8.4 into 10 raised to the power 22 per area, and area is given as 1 mm square. So substituting each in this equation, I equals to NEAVD. I have 1.344. N is given as 8.4 into 10 raised to the power 22. E की value is given as 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 19 coulomb. Area is 1 mm square, जिसको हम सेंटीमीटर में लिख सकते हैं 0.01 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर, एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड VD. सो VD की वैल्यू होगी 1.344 अपॉन 13.44 into 10. This will be equal to 0.01 centimeter per second, or equal to 0.1, approximately equal to 0.1 mm per second. So the answer to this question is 0.1 mm per second. So the correct option is option C, that is 0.1 mm per second. So the drift velocity will be equal to 0.1 mm per second. Hope you understood this.